Have you asked yourself, I have been learning English for years, but I cannot speak it. You know English grammar, you know vocabulary, even you know the English movie sentence. But what is the problem? My friend, in this video, I will tell you some few reasons why you cannot speak English fluently and also the solution. The reason number one, you translate everything. For example, you have no practice intention that you will do practice. If it's mistakes, no problem. What you do, you just go to Google Translate or any other translate apps, and you just type in the full sentence. This is the very biggest mistakes. When you have no practice interested, like in your mindset that no matter I will do mistake, but I will continuously practice every day, like 1 hour. I will only translate like the words what I don't know, and then you feel that like I had to translate everything. No, my friend, don't translate everything. Just sometimes you translate the few words, like the difficult words what you don't know, and then translate it. But you have to practice, no matter if it's false. Number two, you study a lot, but you don't speak or you don't practice. This is kind of a second reason or mistakes. You study, I mean, maybe you read books, maybe you read the movie subtitles, or even you maybe read in the outside English boards, billboards, lots of. But you cannot speak it without anything. Okay, for example, I am not talking in the camera. I am not looking any books or any billboard. Just what in my mind coming, I am just continuously talking. So you have to also follow me or others, like who are almost every day they are talking. If you have no partner, no problem, just talk to yourself, talk to the mirror, talk to your brother, talk to your siblings, even talk to your fathers. Even if in your dinner, in your breakfast, if some things you have not in your around or any person you don't see, just talk to about your breakfast, about your meal. So then your speaking will be higher. So for example, you are reading, besides you will also speak English. This will be a balance. Okay, so when you speak or when you read, on your mind automatically will come that I have to also speak, okay, in myself, okay, in the in every situation. Three, you afraid about mistake. This is very interesting. I also faced this same problem when, as a beginner, I started. I was faced like lots of shy, nervous. That I think people thinking lots of negative thinking. People are laughing. People are criticizing about my English speaking, about my mistakes. On that time, was the situation was very difficult to control my mind. But you have to overcome. Okay, you this is some difficult, but in your mindset, just keep that I will always speak. I will not focus what people are saying about me, what people are laughing, or I don't care about you. Okay, just I don't care. Like just 1 year, just keep these things in your mindset. Definitely you will see the biggest change. So just think that you don't need to be fear about your mistakes. Just no problem, just in mistakes you will always improve. Okay, so just speak. The second reason is you know the words but you don't know the phrase. I mean, you know something's words what you are speaking, but phrase, like you have to combine these words in together. Like you have to say about which tense you are saying. If you are saying in the future situation, then you have to continue as a future sentence or future tense. For example, if you say I will write, so it will be future, so it will be, you can say about the future. Okay, future tense. So tense is important, but slowly gradually you can improve. Just start speaking, and just mind that you have to maintain the tense and also the phrase, I mean the words to combine together one by one, and then say okay. The last things is the practice, my friend. There are no way to learn English without practice. I think you can learn, or you can take a biggest course in the world about speaking English. You can admit in the biggest coaching center, or you can hire biggest consultant. But without practice, definitely you will never be fluent in English. So practice means to daily just 1 hour. That's it, or 30 minutes. 30 to 1 hour. It's very enough for you. how you will practice, just set a time in your free time, which times you will select, which time you're free. On that time, just stand in front of the mirror, just talk to, or just talk to yourself, just talk to anything you see in front of your eyes. It can be like in your rooms, any tools, in your, like in your bed, pillow, sofa, lots of things. Just learn new words, but don't be go to Google Translate for a sentence. Just go to for a word that you don't know. For then when you will know the words, then start speaking about, like for example, this is a cosmetic items of the ladies, okay, then just talk to about this, okay, just talk about this, that this is a cosmetic item, it's made, its features, it benefit, just that's it, my friend. That it will also improve your speaking level higher, and it will remove your shy, your nervous, everything will be removed, okay. So my friend, there's 5 reasons is very, very important. If you cannot speak English but you understand, okay, just solve this mistakes, and I believe you will also success.